now continue a topic about the six trigonometric ratios. So last time we have discussed about the three basic trigonometric ratios, which are the sine, cosine, and tangent. So this can be easily remembered by the term SOHCAHTOA for us to identify the different three basic trigonometric ratios. So right here we have an illustration from the Call of Duty Mobile, and as you can see I've used a screenshot to illustrate a right triangle in here. So this is triangle ABC with the reference angle A, and of course we have the different parts, the opposite side, the adjacent side, and then the hypotenuse. So with your three basic trigonometric ratios, we will be identifying the parts or the ratio itself. So with the sine angle A, as we take a look at the illustration, the opposite of A is side A, and then its hypotenuse is side C. Therefore, our sine angle A is A over C. And then for the cosine of angle A, we have the adjacent side over the hypotenuse. So let's show that B is the adjacent side and then the hypotenuse is C. So we'll say that cosine of angle A is B over C. And then as we proceed with the tangent of angle A, which is from TOA, we have the opposite side over the adjacent side. So the opposite side is A and then the adjacent side is B. Therefore, tangent of angle A is A over B. And then as we proceed with the inverse of the trigonometric functions, the inverse of sine is cosecant, and the cosecant of angle A is simply the reciprocal of sine angle A. So if we are going to take the reciprocal of AC, that would mean the ratio for cosecant of angle A. I repeat, the inverse of sine is cosecant, and then we have the inverse of cosine is secant. Therefore, from our B over C, secant of angle A is C over B. And then it will follow that the inverse of tangent is cotangent, and that is cot angle A, adjacent side over the opposite side. So that is simply from A over B, we'll take B over A. So that is your six trigonometric ratios, ladies and gentlemen. Now, if we are to use a number for this right triangle in here, let's say for example 3 units and side B measures 4 units and then the hypotenuse is 5. Therefore, the following ratios will be derived. So as we say, A over C is actually 3 over 5. Let's write it down in another blank space in here. So still we're talking about sine, cosine, and tangent of angle A. So sine of angle A with a given value, we have 3, 4, and 5. So on angle A, the opposite of A is 3, and then its hypotenuse is 5. Therefore, sine of angle A is 3 over 5. And then on cosine of angle A, we have the adjacent side over the hypotenuse, so that is 4 over 5. Then we have the tangent of angle A. Still, we have the opposite side over the adjacent side, so that is 3 over 4. Now, as we take the inverses of the following, we have the cosecant of angle A, which is the inverse of 3 over 5. So we'll take the reciprocal 5/3. And then we have the inverse of cosine, which is secant. So we'll take secant of angle A, and the value of that is the reciprocal of 4 over 5, so that is 5/4. And then we have cotangent. Last but not the least, we have cotangent of angle A, which is the reciprocal of 3/4, so that will be 4/3. So here you go. This is your 6 trigonometric ratios with the different examples. Thank you so much and see you on the other videos.